Medieval towns and castles, mountain ranges, forests, and traditional flavors will captivate those who see it. Slovakia. Number 1. Tatra Mountains. Tatra Mountains are a true natural wonder where you can witness every shade of green. These rugged mountains are home to various plants, animals, and everything nature has to offer. Visitors to this area typically engage in activities such as skiing and hiking. Nature enthusiasts and mountaineers can come here and have a fantastic time in these magnificent mountains and their surroundings. Number 2. Bratislava Castle. A historic castle located in the capital city of Slovakia, Bratislava. With its classic medieval castle appearance, featuring red brick walls and round towers, it stands majestically atop the city. If you wish to learn more about the castle and the city, there is a museum inside the castle for visitors. This museum provides information about the history of the castle and the city. Especially at sunset or during the night, if you climb to the top of this castle situated on the banks of the Danube River, you can witness the impressive view of the city and its surroundings. Number 3. Košice. Slovakia's second-largest city. This historic city boasts a rich cultural heritage. It is famous for its elegant squares, narrow streets, and colorful historic buildings. Here, you can sample the local cuisine and traditional Slovak dishes. In particular, kapustnica, haluski, and langos are dishes you may come across. Košice also hosts various festivals, concerts, and events. Be sure to check local events before coming here. Number 4. Malafatra. It is a mountain range in Slovakia, known for its natural beauty, mountain views, and outdoor activities. It is famous for its impressive landscapes, steep valleys, and green forests. Getting away from the noisy and crowded city environment and coming here, you will feel completely rejuvenated. You can engage in hiking and mountain biking activities here. It will be a perfect destination for adventure seekers. Number 5. Banská Bystrica. A historic and culturally rich city located in central Slovakia. It is filled with beautiful buildings from the medieval period, narrow cobblestone streets, and squares. It is surrounded by natural beauty. There are beautiful hiking trails near the city where you can spend your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.